folks. What am I doing? I'm testing out my, what do you call it? Our ER32 Collet block in here. And I've never used them before. And what is the reason? Well, I tried drilling this thing out below here. I'll show you. I have a magnetic chuck that all the screws are messed up. And I'm trying to get the damn thing to work. So I tried drilling on my drill press and it doesn't really want to work too well. So I decided to put it on the milling machine because the drill press is one of those cheap general industrial ones, which, let's just say, there's so much slop and wobble on there that I can't even get it to work right. So not sure how tight this thing's supposed to go, but I'm guessing it's supposed to go really tight. This is my first time attempting to use this. Actually, wait a minute. I just realized something. Hold on a second. What did I realize? I forgot to put the damn drill bit in. So also using a tractor wrench because I don't have a wrench big enough for this one. And this tractor wrench, believe it or not, works beautiful. So I'm going to tighten this up with my ER32 wrench. It's a good thing I did my homework a little bit before I bought one of these conversion things, because I wouldn't have known to buy one of these. So let's check this out here. I put it on the mill. I clamped it down to the mill, and I'm going to attempt to try this now. Let's see if I can find the plug for the damn mill. Do I keep my mill plugged in? Not in here. I don't keep anything plugged in this garage. So now let's see how this works here. We're gonna roll this over this way a little. Let me put some lights on here. I've got a drill press in the way here. There we go. It's a little brighter. That's the fun part about having a milling machine, is you can... Oh, camera's in the way. Uh-oh. Gotta somehow get this camera out of the way. All right, let me move it to your side. Let me pause this.